Today, I'm going to show you how to make an invoice in QuickBooks. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Then select Invoice. This opens a new invoice form. At the top, choose the customer you want to bill. QuickBooks may fill in details like the billing address, email, payment terms, and currency if they are already saved in the customer profile. Check the invoice date and due date. Make sure the dates match when you are sending the invoice and when payment is due. Next, add the products or services you are charging for. Choose the item from your product and service list. Then enter the description, quantity, rate, and amount. If sales tax applies, check that the tax settings are correct. If needed, add more line items for other products or services. QuickBooks will calculate the subtotal, tax, and total at the bottom of the invoice. You can also add a message to the customer or an internal memo for your records. Before sending, review the customer name, email, invoice date, due date, line items, amounts, tax, and total. Once everything looks correct, click Review and Send. Check the email preview, subject line, and message. Then click Send Invoice. If you do not want to send it right away, click Save and Close instead. And that's how to make an invoice in QuickBooks in 2026.